Annyeong Chingus! Welcome back to another mini vlog. Second day here in South Korea. Ayan, dahon check. Today is November 13, 2023. Ayan yung dahon. So, may yellow pa siya. And yan, pa-outfit check muna ang Mima nyo. Yung coat ko is from Pull and Bear. And yun, naka-boots ako. For today's itinerary, ayan. So, pumunta kami ng Palace. So, today kami magre-rent ng hanbok at saka mamamasyal sa Gyeongbokgung Palace. Yan, naabutan pa namin yung change of guards. Parang nag-change siya ng guard every hours from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. So, after that, ayan, dumiretso na kami sa hanbok shop at saka nag-try na din kami dito ng mga hanbok. Yan, you have to check yung length para makakad ng maayos, and then nagpaayos na din kami ng hair. Okay, I'm done. This is the final look. Kinuha pala namin yung hanbok rental via Klook. It's 680 themed hanbok for 2.5 hours. Yan, naglakad-lakad na din kami sa palace. I mean, sa labas ng palace. At saka tignan nyo yung mga dahon, diba? Sobrang ganda niyan in person. I'm not sure bakit hindi ganyan kaganda sa video, but super ganda niya. At saka yellow pa talaga. Ayan. And madaming mga nakahanbok, syempre, sa loob ng palace. And free lang yung entrance pag nakahanbok ka. And after the palace, yan, nakakita kami ng photo booth, nag-picture muna kami. And yun, nag-lunch na din kami. That's around 3 p.m. already. Yung in-order ko is dumplings with noodles at saka si Jola naman ay rice, of course. And after lunch, ayan, naglakad na kami papuntang Bokchon, Hanok Village. Sobrang ganda ng scenery niya. Yung papuntang Bokchon, Hanok Village. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Ganda. So medyo nawawala na kami dyan, kaya nagtanong na kami kay Upa yung way. And very...
Okay, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
So after mahabang lakaran, ayan, finally nahanap na namin yung Bokchon Hanok Village, saktong-sakto sa sunset. And we are very lucky, nakita namin tong K-pop group na to. Parang bagong K-pop group pa lang